great night.
Yeah, it was a great night.
The pop dancing was so cool.
Well, not as cool as you though.
You're silly.
Anyways, it was a great night.
Oh look, the stars are so beautiful.
Oh look, a shooting star. Quick, make a wish.
Đây. Nào nào. Cái xả. Lắc chéo.
Wow, nó to了，少啊。哦，今天没那么嘛。
Sí, no yo vengo mal, muy good job.
Okay, only up.
想了。
好嘞哦。好嘞。
好了。
Ai, tôi mua món nọ.
Món này à? Đúng. Lúc này mình chả.
Mua xanh hả?
Xanh đó. Cái món xanh, nó chỉ nó.
Bia xanh.
Đánh gì đó? Nó chỉ nè. Mình chả. Và giấy đi. Con giờ nè. Mình chả. Mà tao nó con ye còn những nhau vào đây những nhau được thì nó con cái này không con nhà con một tên không
Cái này đó.
con đào luôn
Nhóm nó mở tao lên mà mua món.
chứ nó bỏ mà
Nhưng mà mua chè, mua trong say đó.
chú không cho nữa đó
Sorry you had to go through that.
I understand. Your parents just want to know who I am, that's all.
But still, I'm sure it's difficult for you.
Yeah. Anyways, it's getting late. Better get going.
Okay, well, don't take it too hard on yourself. Drive home safe.
Will do. See you soon.
Good night.
Chú, 我家可有我这里路。
你要喝，你去那儿那个鸡汤。
哦，不要。
Dad? Who was my grandfather?
What? 到正经不还在搞研究里头了？
No, Dad, they were asking all these strange questions like who my grandparents were and where we lived in Laos.
And what did you say?
Well, I said we lived in Ban Vinai and my year was no Pia.
Wrong country and wrong name, son.
Oh, then who was my grandfather and where did he live in Laos?
We lived in Ntawm. Your grandfather's name was Ntawm. Thủ nè, có dơ chừng hoa mà muốn chính nó. Cái thủ nè, có dơ vô nòng cái khẩu này nữa.
My year was a colonel? That is so cool. Tell me more. What about Grandma?
Hey. Ooh, that is a long story. do you really want to hear about it?
Of course, this is my origin. And besides, if I knew this stuff, I wouldn't have been embarrassed.
Have I told you much about your great-grandparents?
Yeah, but, you know, it was a long time ago, so I forgot.
Your great-grandparents, Ntawm, were from the town Ntawm. One day, they went to Vietnam to trade salt for silver. And on their way back, some thieves followed them and killed them. And from that day on, your grandfather was an orphan. Life was tough growing up with no parents. But he worked hard and eventually went to school in Laos to become a teacher. Back then, you get a lot of respect for being educated. He taught French, English, Laotian, and Hmong. Not only was he educated, he was a good-looking fella. Ntawm gonna hang on.
Really? What about Grandma then?
Your grandmother's name was Chilia.
Wow, her name's pretty.
I only know the stories he told me. But he said it was during the rainy season. And that day it was raining harder than any other day. As he was teaching his class, he noticed someone standing out in the rain with an umbrella. And there she was. She walked into his life.
Hi. Can you please read the first sentence? Correct. Today is a rainy day. Third, can you please translate the first sentence into Hmong? Correct. Palia, can you make up a sentence with the word dream?
I don't understand.
Does anyone understand what the word dream means? Ba, what is the word dream in Hmong? Yellow, bonjour. Ba, can you make up a sentence with the word dream?
I had a dream to travel around the world.
Good.
Oh, Sigmund! I dreamed to be a nurse! Oh, yeah?
That's good. That's what you have to. Dreams give you hope. Okay, Lila, class is over. For your assignment tomorrow, I want you guys to write about your dream in your journal. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.
我will see food. 信じろ滝. Oh, Julia, 你諗到答案咯？拉我着人的紙質差咯。我嘅你諗我。信じろ。信じ滝啊。
我说没有。